Hello, welcome to another afternoon in our home. We are about to make mandazi here. We are about to make something good. Before we continue with whatever we are about to make, I want to thank you again for all the views that you've been watching our videos, all the subscribers, all the new subscribers. We are at hello again. Welcome to our kitchen. This afternoon we're gonna be making mandazis, yummy mandazis, like I always do. I will show you the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. I have, and like always, I use small amounts of ingredients or just a few ingredients in all my recipes. I have cooking oil, I have sugar, I have salt, I have baking soda and yeast. So the brown is the yeast and the white is the baking soda, baking powder. And I have all-purpose cooking flour here. So I will start right away by combining all the dry ingredients. I just have to set the Okay, it's been how long? It's been how long now, people? It's been, I wanted this to wait for about 10 minutes. Yeah, it's been approximately 10 minutes.
No! It's been half an hour.
And this is my mandazi dough. It's really soft and pliable. I had to wait a little bit.
Steam account, Mom?
Huh?
Anybody have a Steam account?
So yeah, it's really soft and pliable, and you really want it to be like that, so that it can expand really well when you start cooking. Yeah, it looks good to me.
Hey, how do you ignore me?
What do you say?
How do you ignore me?
What are you saying? It's not acceptable. So that's how it looks like from the inside. And that's actually ready to go in the stove. Before I do anything crazy, I'm gonna prepare my dough like that. Grab my rolling pin. So they're actually turning out real nice, golden brown. And I believe they're ready by now. So I'm just gonna remove them using something like that. Yeah, this turned out really perfect.
Oh gosh. Take this.
Okay, no, don't burn yourself. So actually, he ran up here
Hot.
to try. Put it here. Put it here.
Hot. Okay.
Okay, come and tell me what you think about it.
It tastes good. Okay.
Show me.
It's such a good flavor.
How does it taste like?
It's good.
Yeah, like what? Good. What is goodness to you?
The average chapati you would think.
Is it spicy?
Nope.
Is it sweet?
Yes.
Is it salty?
Nope.
Okay.
It's perfect for your 3-year-old. Or let's say if you're a parent.
So it's perfect for anyone. So what? Let me see what I think about this. So I'm just gonna get these. For example, it's kind of hot.
That is really
Look at the inside. It's really cooked all the way. Thank you so much for joining us. It turned out really amazing.